Intravenous exosomes are being promoted as breakthrough regenerative medicine, but there are currently 0 FDA, EMA, or MHRA-approved IV exosome therapies for any therapeutic use. What's being offered clinically remains entirely experimental. Most supportive data comes from laboratory studies and animal models, not controlled human trials. When administered intravenously, exosomes are rapidly cleared by the liver and immune system. Claims that they selectively target specific organs remain scientifically unproven. We lack critical long-term safety data on immune activation, oncogenic potential, and repeated dosing effects. Manufacturing standards vary dramatically between products, making reproducible outcomes impossible. Exosomes may have future therapeutic potential, but current IV applications belong in research protocols, not clinical practice. In evidence-based medicine, innovation must follow rigorous validation, not marketing hype.